Good morning, students. Today I will discuss the chapter 13 biomolecules of class 12th chemistry. First of all, I will discuss what do you mean by biomolecules. Biomolecules are macromolecules, means large molecules, which are naturally occurring in our biological system. Example: polysaccharides, which hydrolyze and give a large number of small saccharides unit like glucose, fructose, ribose, and mannose. Polysaccharides are starch and cellulose. Other biomolecules are proteins, enzymes, vitamins, and hormones, etc. Now we will discuss one by one. First, we take carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are the optically active polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone, or the compounds which produce such unit on hydrolysis. It is also called saccharides. It is also called saccharides, means sugar. Carbohydrates which are sweet in taste is also called sugar, like sucrose, glucose, etc. General formula of carbohydrates are CxH2O, Y. Most of the carbohydrate are made up of hydrates of carbon. Now the next topic is the classification of carbohydrates on the basis of their behavior on hydrolysis. It is of three types: monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides. Mono means single, means it is the simplest carbohydrate, cannot be hydrolyzed into simpler compounds. Example is glucose, fructose, ribose, mannose. Second type is oligosaccharides. Oligo means 2 to 10 units, means the carbohydrates which on hydrolysis gives 2 to 10 monosaccharides unit on hydrolysis. Example is sucrose, lactose, maltose. All these are sugars. Next is polysaccharides, which on hydrolysis give a large amount of monosaccharides unit, like cellulose, starch, etc. Second type, on the basis of whether they are reducing or not. Carbohydrates is of two types: first, reducing sugar; second, non-reducing sugar. Reducing sugar, it contains the free aldehydic or ketonic group. Aldehyde group CHO group, ketone C double bond O group. Ketone groups are present in between the carbon chain. Non-reducing sugar don't contain any aldehyde or ketonic group. Reducing sugars reduce the Fehling solution. Fehling solution reagent are of two types, Fehling A and Fehling B. Fehling A is copper sulfate, Fehling B is sodium potassium tartrate. Means those sugar which give the test of Fehling test, it means these are reducing sugar. And a tolerance reagent is the ammonical silver nitrate solution. Ammonical silver nitrate solution. So the sugar which reduce both type of test means all monosaccharides like glucose, fructose, mannose, maltose and lactose also are reducing sugar. Non-reducing sugar which don't give any Fehling solution or tolerance reagent test. Example is sucrose. Now, what are the role of carbohydrate in our life? Means importance of carbohydrate. First of all, carbohydrate act as a biofuel to provide energy for functioning of living system. You take the reaction of glucose C6H12O6 plus 6O2 aerosine 6CO2 plus 6 water plus large amount of energy is released. Second role of carbohydrate is it is used as a storage molecule as starch in plants and glycogen in animals. Third, D-ribose and 2-deoxy-D-ribose are present in RNA and DNA. Fourth, cellulose acts as a structural material of the cell wall of bacteria and plants. And fifth is carbohydrates provide a raw material for many important industries like textile, paper, etc.